my bed. Ain't gotta be, hey, gotta be chill like a Sunday. Never wanna look too thirsty. Put your drink, got me feeling where you at. Make you feel love. Ain't gotta be, hey, gotta be chill like a Sunday. Ain't gotta be.
Hey Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose. We're back with another video. It's been a while since I filmed. I've been going through some ish, which I will try to put you on in this video, but we are going to be doing my Boxycharm base and premium unboxing and try on. I'm just going to show you guys what I got, use it throughout the video, maybe give you guys my thoughts at the end, but we will be talking about my current situation in this video. So if you want to see what I got in my base and premium box, then just keep on watching. Okay, so as you can see, this is a different setup. I am in my room. I'm using my ring light again. So much stuff is about to change, and we'll get into that once I'm done showing you guys what I got. So let's start off with the base box. This is what it looks like. Okay, so first I have the Laura Geller High Def Illuminator Duo Heart of Gold. This is basically a duo highlighter thing. This retails for $33. Does come with a nice little mirror, but those are the shades. Hopefully they're not too light for me. I think they might just work. Then I got the Pharmacy Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner, which retails for $28. I will be using this before I apply any makeup. Then I got the Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. This retails for $33 as well. I might use that to prep my lips. $33 for a lip balm is quite expensive, honey. But that is what it looks like. You know what? Let's just throw this bad boy on right now. Smells pretty good. Doesn't taste the greatest, but it feels pretty moisturizing. So next we got the Dr. Brandt Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream. This retails for $82. That is freaking ridiculous. It's better make me look like I'm 5 years old again for that price. So that is what it looks like. Last but not least, I got the Velvet Palette from Ciate London, and this retails for $30. You might hear my daughter in the background because she's literally like right there, and my ring light is right there. So that is what the packaging looks like. Really nice pink and gold, my favorite colors. Oh, mainly pink, but gold is cute or whatever. So that is what these shades look like. Really, really pretty warm tones. I could definitely create a really pretty look with this, and the colors look really, really nice as well. There's a nice mixture of mattes and shimmers. So that's everything I got in my base box. Let's move on to premium. So this is what my premium box looks like. I'm super freaking excited. So first I have the Ofra Cosmetics Good to Go Mini Mix Palette. This retails for $39. And this is what it looks like. Does this not come off? Because if it doesn't, that's weird. Oh, okay, it does. So that is what it looks like. You have like a bronzer contour shade, blush, highlight, some eyeshadows. Really, really pretty. And Ofra's highlighter formula is my favorite formula by far. Next, I got the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara. This retails for $24. I can't believe I got this because for choice, I chose a Fenty product. So I didn't think they would put like 2 Fenty products in the box, but yeah, I'm super excited. And I got the Lashes MD Eyelash Growth Serum. This retails for $69.95. Holy crap, that's expensive. Gonna make my lashes grow. I mean, my lashes are already kind of long, but who's gonna complain about longer lashes? Not I. And then that is what it looks like. I'm pretty sure it just has like a little brush. Yeah, just a little brush that you put on your lashes. I think you could also use this for your brows as well. Then we got the Silver Pure, what is this? Oh, the PMD Beauty Silver Pure Makeup Removing Cloth. This retails for $30. I'm going to assume this is something similar to the makeup eraser thing. Yeah, it's just a square, really nice soft fabric. I will definitely use this when I remove my makeup later on. Next, we got the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. This retails for $48. Really, really nice. I love masks, so I ain't complaining. It's what I like to do when I'm cleaning. I'll throw a mask on, start to clean, rinse it off, and feel like a whole new ish, you know? But yeah, that is what that looks like. It's pretty decent size. And I don't know if I said how much it retails for, but it is $48. And then last but not least was my choice item, which was from Fenty Beauty. This is the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder. I got mine in the shade Honey, and this retails for $32. Alright. I'm so excited about this hair product because I've been wanting this powder since it came freaking out. So this is what it looks like. The packaging is super cute, and the shade looks like it's going to be perfect for all over my face. Alright, so let's get into trying the product. Okay, so I did my eyebrows from the eyes, and I look a little bit crazy, but you know, this is all part of the process. So I kind of want to use a little bit of both of the palettes. So I'm going to start off with the Ofra palette. I'm going to take this shade right here to set everything down. Oh no, that's orange. Ooh, can't do that, honey. I'm going to use a different powder real quick, and then I'll come back. Okay, so I'm going to take this shade in the crease. So I know I said I was going to update you guys about my situation, but I feel like it'd be better if I do like a separate story time. So I'm just going to mute whatever I was talking about and put some music on and just, you know, do everything in time lapse and focus on the products. So next I'm going to take this dark brown shade and pop that on the outer corner. I might drag it into the crease a bit. Okay, so this is the completed look using all the Boxycharm products. Let me give you a quick rundown on my thoughts and then we will get on to the outro. So the Ofra mini or Good to Go mini mix palettes I really do like. I already know that I love her highlighter formula. The contour and blush are really pretty, blended out like a dream. The shadows are really nice. I can't wait to play with this shade and this shade right here. The Ciate London, the Velvet palette, I also did enjoy using. I didn't use that many shades, but the shades that I did use blended out like a dream. I do want to play with this shade. It looks really, really pretty, but the mattes are really nice. I don't think I tried a shimmer from here, so maybe in the next video. I didn't get to try the Summer Friday mask. The eye cream is something I have to use over time to see if it actually works. I didn't use the lash serum thing. The Pharmacy Deep Sweep toner seemed pretty nice. Again, I have to use it for a while before I can tell you if it's good or not. The Laura Geller High Def Illuminator Duo Heart of Gold little palette. I really just used this on the inner corner, but it does seem pretty blinding, so that's a plus. The Fenty Beauty Loose Setting Powder. I think this shade is a bit too dark. I can make it work if I mix it in with like a banana powder or a translucent powder, but I do like it. It left my skin looking super soft and blurred. It does have a scent to it, which I'm not a big fan of, but nevertheless, I still love the powder. The mascara is really nice. I don't know if you guys saw the after application of the mascara. It actually made me look like I have falsies, so this is definitely a plus. And then last but not least is the Bali Balm. I don't like the scent or flavor or whatever that you would call it because you taste it, but it is pretty moisturizing, so I do like that. Overall, I enjoyed both boxes. I think I enjoyed Premium more because it had 2 Fenty products. So if you guys enjoyed, drop a thumbs up, comment down below what you guys think, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We're legit like 60 away from 1,000. Like, what? So yeah, if you want to get me to 1,000, make sure you hit that red button down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you are. And staying safe and staying blessed. Bye.
Todd, can you play that again? Give me some fire, baby. We've been through the 305 highway. Loving like a ride fast lane.